When you first open Bright Engine, you are met with the Project Launcher. This tool helps you quickly create and load projects. You will see 3 buttons on the right-hand side, and on the left is the project list. Currently, we have not created a project, and so it remains empty. The Exit button will close Bright Engine, while the Getting Started button will open your default browser to the Getting Started guide of the documentation. First, we are going to create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. This will open up a dialog where basic information needs to be filled out. Start by choosing a name for your project. This can be changed at a later date if you change your mind. Since this is for tutorial purposes, I am going to use the name Tutorial. You'll notice that the Create Project button has become enabled, and you can press it to create the project. However, in doing so, we'll create the project in the same directory as where Bright Engine was installed. If you want to specify a custom directory, you should uncheck the Use Default Directory option. This will enable the project directory setting. Pressing the little folder icon next to it will open a search dialog where you can choose a custom directory. It is important not to save it inside another project. Once you are happy, press the Save button, and the chosen path will appear in the project directory bar. This is all that needs to be done, and you can press Create Project. Creating the project will only take a few moments, and the project launcher will disappear. Once the project has been loaded, the name of the project will appear in the title bar of the editor window. You are now ready to begin working in Bright Engine.